Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to fully verify your Exness account with desktop browsers. To begin, log into your personal area on our website. Click on the Become a Real Trader button located here. First, click Send me a code to verify your email address. Enter the code sent to your email here, then click Continue. Select whether you'd like an SMS or call and enter your phone number. Then click Send me a code. Enter the code sent to your phone, then click Continue to verify your phone number. Next, complete the personal information with your details. Click Continue once done to confirm this information. A message confirms your email, phone number, and personal information have been submitted. Click Complete Verification to continue onto the economic profile. The economic profile is a survey of your trading experience, required to lift deposit and trading limitations. Click Continue once the economic profile is complete. The last steps require submission of your verification documents, including valid proof of identity and proof of residence. Before this can happen, you will be prompted to confirm your legal name. The name must be exact and consistent across your submitted personal information, verification documents, and the name associated with any payment methods you may use in the future. If this needs to be corrected, click Edit to amend your name, then click Upload Documents. Otherwise, just click Upload Documents to continue. Now it is time to submit your proof of identity document. First, select the country of issue for the identity document, then choose the type of document from those available. A list of do's and don'ts are shown to help you, depending on the type of document chosen. Follow these suggestions closely for the best chance at success. Click Upload the document and find your digital copy to attach. Then click here to continue once attached. The next and final step is to submit your proof of residence. Please note you can skip this step, but that your account will not be fully verified and experience limited functionality. Follow the on-screen requirements for your proof of residence document. Click Upload Proof of Residence document, then click here to continue once attached. Your account status will become fully verified automatically after all documentation is successfully reviewed. Congratulations! You followed all the steps to fully verify your Exness account. Thank you for choosing Exness.